Are you struggling with no input sound on GarageBand? Don't worry, I will guide you through simple steps to fix this common issue. So, let's watch the video till the end. If GarageBand shows a no input source selected pop-up on your Mac device, you may not access the audio input sources, for example, microphone or musical instruments. Launch the GarageBand on your Mac computer. Open the existing one or create a new project. Now go to the bottom and select the Track tab in the Controls window. You see the input box is not selected. To fix this issue, navigate to the top menu bar and click on GarageBand. Then, select Settings. After that, click on the Audio MIDI section. Under the Devices section, click on the down arrow next to Input Devices. Sometimes you may have selected the wrong input source and get this error. If you don't see any input device name, connect it first. The iMac and MacBook models come with built-in microphones. The Mac Mini devices don't have built-in microphones, so you can connect an external microphone using a USB or audio jack. After connecting, wait for your computer to recognize the input device. Then, select the microphone or line in the source. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.